how to play the E major scale on the octave mandolin. So start with E, first finger on the second fret D string, then F sharp, third finger on the fourth fret D string, fourth finger on the sixth fret D string is your G sharp, open A, B, first finger on the second fret A string, C sharp, third finger on the fourth fret A string, D sharp, fourth finger on the sixth fret A string, and then open E. Just notice that that E major has four sharps, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. So that means you have to stretch. The F sharp and the C sharp are normal. You use them in the G major scale and in the D major scale and the A major scale. But the G sharp is on the sixth fret and the D sharp is on the sixth fret. So just watch that when you're practicing these scales. If you have a question, the links are below. I'm online all the time, happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to receive a notification when I upload new material about octave mandolins.